Let's take a quick look at a technique that you can use to make a good first impression, to overcome prejudice, or to get the benefit of the doubt. Several years ago, I was getting a new military ID card. I was wearing a shirt and a tie. One of the employees of the DEER's office randomly came up to me and told me a great story. He said, "Good to see that you're wearing a tie. I tell all of my kids and the kids I coach to always wear a tie in their ID card photos. Imagine this," he said. "A young man is on the right path and is a medical student at a local university. After pulling a double shift at the hospital, he throws on a hoodie and he drives home to get some sleep. An honest and hardworking policeman pulls him over when he runs a stop sign. What does he see? He sees another punk kid in a hoodie who did not come to a complete stop at the stop sign. The police officer then looks at his driver's license. He's wearing a tie and he has a smile. Perhaps, just perhaps, the police officer will give the young man the benefit of the doubt and let him go. I'm not talking about cheating the system," he said. "I'm talking about always looking clean cut. It gets you the benefit of the doubt and it makes you look professional even if you're not." Wow, what great advice. The logic is sound. It works equally well for the young man who runs a stop sign or for an old man in the wrong place at the wrong time. If you look like an idiot, you will be treated like a punk. If you look like a thug, then you will be treated suspiciously. But if you look like a professional, you will be treated with respect. The same logic applies to women. Looking good and professional in all of your ID photos will also help you to be treated better. Years later, all of my ID photos are in a suit and tie. I deliberately look my best in all of the photos I use for my passports and visas, my driver's license, my office badges, and my military ID. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new and are now going to look your best in all of your ID photos. You never know when it might help you make a good first impression, overcome prejudice, or simply get the benefit of the doubt. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more and to forward to a friend who needs to know this. Life is a special operation. Are you ready for it?